I would highly encourage you to reach out to state court administrator's office. I can almost guarantee, I don't know anything about Highland Park, specifically, but I can almost guarantee part of their problem is similar to what a lot of us are having. Our phone system sucks because we literally can't. I want a live body answering my phone every day. Can't do it. Yeah, but it's not every phone call. Okay, which in my business, I think every person should have a live body to talk to. My point is all of the courts are having trouble with money and staffing. Okay, so if you make the call to scale might come down, and that's enough pressure for Highland Park to go to their funding unit and say, look, we're getting heat from above now. We got to fix this problem. All right. Might not help you in the short term, but it might help the next you down the road. We'll dismiss the drove while license suspended in both civil infractions. Did you read your rights form today? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge today? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on October 2? At that time, did you have a valid license on your person to show the officer that stopped you? I will accept your plea and dismiss the 3 original charges. Are you working?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
I work 7 to 3 months.
How long you been there?
January.
And what's the status of your license?
It's not, it's dead yet. And the reason being is that I have a ticket from 2011. Highland Park. I'm not sure if you're aware of the infrastructure in Highland Park, but they give me the running.
Okay.
I haven't been able to contact anybody in Highland Park. I go there in person.
Have you tried online and see if there's anything you can do online?
It's like I'm gonna develop like the other courts, and then when you go in person, there's a sign like on your door.
Right.
Then you go to that building and they say, well, call this number. I call the number most of the time and I'll leave the traffic or court lady a message and she never responds.
Yeah.
So I'm not able to
Here's what I'm going to suggest you do.
think that they're.
Here's what I'm going to suggest you do. Just internet search, contact state court administrator's office. All the courts ultimately report to the state court administrator's office about the way we do things. Okay. So I'm a big fan of, if you're having trouble dealing with this organization, you go to the top of the chain and you say, hey, here's my complaint. Because if the people that have control don't know about the problems, they have no chance to get them fixed. Does that make sense? All right. So I would, okay. All right. So you've got 1 ticket. You got to get that cleared up before you can get your license straight. Is that what you're telling me? All right.
I just want to check.
All right. I'm going to just use.
The courtroom turned serious. The judge listened carefully, but there was no sympathy in his voice. The defendant failed to fix the license issue, and the law was clearly broken. In a cold, firm tone, the judge announced the final punishment: a $500 fine, no arguments, no second chances.
Rights present to you. And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, on the date of September 25, 25, were you in Van Buren Township? Walmart, Myers, what store? And did you try to take some merchandise from Walmart without paying for that merchandise? What was the merchandise? Are you working? Where do you work? Yep. How long you been there? Okay. Do you have anything on your criminal history? Ever been arrested for a misdemeanor or felony?
I have another case right now for I think traffic.
That's just like a speeding ticket or something like that? Okay. All right. All right. So what was going on in September?
When I
Yeah.
between jobs and food stops.
Just for you? All right. How many hours a week you getting to Cedarwood? What's your living arrangement? You got stable, housing? Okay. All right, the prosecutor recommending a delayed sentence so you can keep this off your record as a permanent conviction. I'll go along with that. Stay out of trouble for 6 months, no new criminal charges. You're welcome. What days of the week do you work? Floats? You got some flexibility then? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Your court costs are $400 or do 2 days on our work program. So I thought you might like that option. So go downstairs, schedule those 2 days. Take care of that, stay out of trouble. This will stay off your record. Good luck.
So you want to see the print?
Oh, yeah. Can you go to Van Buren PD today to get your fingerprints taken? Tomorrow by 3?
Thursday today?
Today's Thursday, yep. All right, so tomorrow, sometime between now and 3 p.m. tomorrow.
21st tomorrow?
Yeah. I mean, if you show up at midnight, they'll probably take care of you. You know, they're open 24/7. All right, you good? Okay. Paul Craig Jr. You ready on yours? Mr. Craig, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Paperwork tells me that you're going to plead guilty to fail to report an accident on 9/11/25, and I'm going to dismiss fail to stop or identify. Were you involved in a property damage accident that day at or near Metro Airport?
Yes.
Did you report it to law enforcement as required? You did? Then why are you pleading guilty to fail to report?
Here,
The
Ms. McDonough.
fell down
On the parking? Yep,
and I was called in and told them I'm 15 minutes schedule.
right.
And they told me they get it later. And about 2 hours later, police stopped.
Okay, so you didn't report it to the police,
No, they didn't. No, sir.
but they weren't in an accident. You weren't in the accident.
Yeah, I reported, still never reported.
Right. Well, you understand the law is
No,
the driver has to report to the PD.
yeah, but on that 10-minute scale, they told me to keep going. And
Right. No, I understand the pressure you were under, but you also understand that technically you violated the law. Okay. I'll accept your report or fail to report plea, and I'll dismiss fail to stop. You still got that job? Okay. Okay. All right. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
My job, and we just want to keep my record straight.
All right. Well, this goes on your record. You understand that? No points. Right. Okay. Okay. All right.
But for how long?
No, it's not permanent. I don't know how long it stays. Do you know how long the points stay on, Mr. Bowditch? I think it's 3 years now.
There's 2 years or 3 years, one's for insurance and one's for
Right.
subscription.
Right.
It's either 2.
No longer than 3. Understood? Okay. You still want to go along with this deal? All right. Fines and costs $150. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs, get a smile from my cashier. Question?
Judge, she did restitution.
Oh, thanks. You're all set?
Yeah.
All right, when can you pay the $50.81? December 5th?
Yeah. I see.
You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Bowditch. How about we start with,
That is?
I don't know if I can find it.
Oh.
That's not even there. We're not going to waste time on record with that. Ms. Perez here?
You're not happy. She's already taken care of it.
All right, then we don't need to do this.
Then
all right.
we have, this gentleman who stood up, Mr. Uwiti.
Got him. Jimmy, come on up. You. Go ahead.
For the record, Deferred voucher appearing on behalf of and get this. Can you tell us the name for the record?
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date time set for writing in this matter, waiting for reading standing. Also have a chance to brief and state you have executed. In that agreement, Ms. Dia would be pleading guilty to the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle with the understanding the original charge, driving a licensed defendant, would be dismissed.
Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, sir.
You understand those rights and the options they present? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on September 23, 2025? If that's the date on your ticket, would that help? Okay. And on that date, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. And is it still suspended, revoked, or denied? You got it reinstated. Awesome. All right. I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Yeah. What should I know about Mr. Utria?
He went through the great pains, he needed to, got his license, but
You working, sir?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Yankton automobile industry,
How long?
2 years and a half.
Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No matter.
All right. Fines that cost $550 and 4 days on the court work program in lieu of jail. You get to pick which 4 days you work. Can you pay the money today?
I think we found 200.
Go downstairs, make your payment, talk options on the rest. That's the same counter where you talk those options is where you schedule your work days. Do you have any questions? Good luck. Martinez. We have an interpreter on this one. I'll do it on the file ending in 73D.
73B.
D. Your name, sir?
I see.
All right, Mr. Heisley, raise your right hand. Spanish is the language? Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate Spanish to English, English to Spanish, so we can all discuss this matter today? All right. Explain that to Mr. Martinez. Mr. Martinez, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yeah.
Are you going to plead responsible to double parking?
Yeah.
Have you agreed to pay fines a cost of $295?
Yes.
Can you pay that today?
Yeah, I'd like to kind of make an arrangement so that I can be part of it today.
How much you want to pay today?
100.
Balance when?
Lo demás, maybe 1 week.
How about, I'll give you just till December 5th. That's plenty of time? Understand that if we don't have our money, then all these files that I'm getting ready to dismiss come back up. Any questions? Go downstairs and make your payment. Thank you, Mr. Heisley. Water.
Your Honor, Deferred voucher 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Gillen, sir. Name for the record. Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date time set for arraignment in this matter was 2018 case. We wait for reading stand needful. You also had a chance to pre-buy this case, Your Honor. Prosecution of Gillen, you have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement with Gillen, the charge will give you false information 7 years ago, with the understanding the open-end talks would be dismissed. Your Honor, in the meantime, Mr. Gilmore have been in prison for 18 months, and today is posting a $300 bond.
Thank you.
We are hoping that court might consider time served in this matter. The bond money he posted is his rent money. He did say he tried to keep on nails.
Did you post the money yourself though, or somebody posted for you? All right. All right. Do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Bowditch? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of false info to a police officer?
Yes.
And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
The defendant admitted giving false information to the police. The judge's reaction was completely cold. No emotion, no hesitation. Within seconds, he delivered the sentence. 30 days in jail, the courtroom fell silent. One wrong decision had just turned into real consequences.
Days in jail, give you credit for time you've already spent, and we'll return 90% of the bonds to you. So we keep a 10% bond fee. We get 30, you get the rest. You all set? Dulcie.
Is it Dulcie?
Dulcie.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
So Dulcie, is Dulcie station name?
Here,
Thank you.
This is our date I'm set for the court date. For ringing purposes, we stand in
Thank you.
come to a resolution here. The argument will be dismissed, pleaded guilty to the disorderly person.
All right. You understand your rights and options? And do you understand the possible penalty for disorderly person? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? All right, tell me what happened at or near Metro Airport on September 20, 2020 that makes you think you're guilty, or maybe you want a voir dire, counsel.
At that time, here at the airport,
All right,
yeah, causing the scene. That's right.
satisfied? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the B file. Are you working? Okay. What should I know about your client before I sentence?
She didn't know about this, she found out, came here, but it's, she's actually working, trying to become a foster parent.
Oh, good for you.
She has nothing else going on. Depending on the amount, she may be able to pay the fines and costs today.
Thank you. Anything you want to add to that? Okay. All right, fines and costs on the file, $565. We've got a bond of $150 that we will apply. So that leaves your balance at, what is that, $415? Can you pay that today? If I did the math correctly. Oh, you probably had bond on the other file. Was there bond on the other file as well?
I think she posted 150 on each.
I don't know. I've just got one.
150 on each file. So 300.
Okay. So can you pay the balance?
Yeah.
Today? Okay. In addition to the money, I'm ordering 20 hours community service. That means 20 hours of charity work. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any nonprofit registered with the IRS. You're living in Novi, so find someplace close to home. That's fine. You don't have to do it out here. Complete the 20 hours and get those hours documented and get that to us between now and January 1. Any questions? Good luck. Gillenwater owes us money on other stuff. I guess that. So he's downstairs waiting for his bond.
To him, and
Yeah.
they'll probably call you to see if you're returning it.
How about Can't even read it. Wheeler?
Good morning,
Good morning.
Yeah, Mr. Willis, Thank you. This is Mr. Willis, court date, stand meeting completed. Pre-trial purposes, we resolve the state for about it. And, Mr. Willis, to cooperate his license on.
Mr. Wheeler, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge today?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that added charge today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle, in Van Buren Township on September 2nd this year? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Thank you. What's the status of your record now? Still suspended? Do you know what you have to do to get it right?
Yes, I have a hearing.
Okay. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? How long you been there? Okay. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, it looks like you owe us money on other files. 2022 failed to display license out of Van Buren Township, no insurance out of Van Buren Township, speeding. Total on those is $840. Are you on a payment plan now? Are you currently on a payment plan?
I didn't know about it.
Okay.
Be a Friday.
Yeah, Elijah Bernard. Okay, all right. So can you commit to some kind of payments? All right, do that before you leave the building. All right, on today's file, anything before I sentence? All right, on this file, $550 and 4 days on the court work program. ISS work program is an alternative to jail. You schedule the work days, you pick the days you want to work, and on the $550, you can roll that into this big payment plan. Any questions? Take care of that downstairs. Ryan Malone. Oh, this is an adjournment, council? Oh, we need to arrange so we can get a date, new date?
Thank you. This is, arraignment. We stand in whether we read
I'll enter a not guilty plea.
bar purposes. Personal violence on Tom's Day. She has no prior record. So that's a personal.
All right. Ms. Malone, you working? Where are you working? What time are you doing this on the 18th?
Which day did you go?
12:18?
18, 9 o'clock.
Who's that with? How long you been at the restaurant? Okay. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond, a couple of obvious conditions. Stay out of trouble and show up for court. Other than that, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance. That includes alcohol and marijuana. So unless you've got a doctor's prescription, don't ingest. Got all that? Any questions? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you a notice for that December 18th court date. Roy Truitt.
Morning, Toby, on behalf of Mr. Stewart, Mr. Stewart, Lord Stewart. Thank you. This is, Mr. Stewart. We have come to a resolution whereby the driving license is being dismissed, and Mr. Stewart will be pleading guilty to allowing that she can work under.
Thank you. Mr. Truitt, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on September 12, 2024? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. Are you still suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. Do you know what you have to do to get it back? What do you have to do? What's your time frame? Okay. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? I'm sorry? All right. How long you been there? All right. Full time?
The judge reviewed the file and immediately understood the situation. The defendant drove with a suspended license. The judge didn't hold back. In a firm and controlled voice, he ordered a $600 fine and 4 days of court work program. The message was clear, Jiv. Accountability was unavoidable.
Hard to work, maybe like 30,000 something.
Say it again? No, that would be community service. That's charity work. Work program, you pick the days, you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning, you go out with our crew for about 5-6 hours. All right? You can get more information about that downstairs. Good luck. Dennis, is it Danes? Denise Danes. Counsel, your appearance.
Trophies on behalf of the state,
Denny stays.
Thank you.
stands court date, you stand. Resolution here, stands to be pleaded. This is advanced under 7-7.
All right, Ms. Danes, do you understand your rights? Understand the options those rights give you? You understand the rights and options those rights give you? So options for trial, understood?
Yes.
Okay, understanding all those rights and options, are you pleading guilty today?
Right.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? And you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. On September 17, 2025, did you try to take some merchandise from a store in Van Buren Township without paying for it? What store?
The one on Belleville Road.
There's a lot of stores on Belleville Road. Myers. All right. And what was the merchandise? Okay. Satisfied, Mr. Starr? I'll accept your plea. Any prior criminal history? Okay. So what was going on?
Hungry. That's it. I'm
Okay.
hungry. I can't afford food. I can't afford food. I can't.
Not working?
It's on SSDI.
Okay.
That's all.
Long term?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Who do you live with on Jeremy?
My daughter.
Okay.
And her son.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Before you get out of here today, I want you to go downstairs and speak to Avery Taylor. Tell him that you're having trouble making that disability check work. It's not stretching as far as you need it to stretch. He's got some really good contacts right next door at Wayne Metro. And he'll be able to hook you up with somebody over there that you can talk to about some other resources. All right? Because I don't want you going to Myers to steal food. There are better options.
I do go and I did tell the officer when he handcuffed me and everything. That I did go to the food bank just prior. And I said, please do not take the food bank food and give it to my kids. I did.
Right.
Like first.
Right. Right. So let's find better options than that. All right. So talk to Mr. Taylor downstairs. All right. So the prosecutor recommended a 6-month delayed sentence. I'll go along with that. I'm going to suspend fines and costs. Understand this. If you get into more trouble between now and 6 months from now, that'll violate the terms of this deferred sentence. At that point, I'm going to sentence you on this file. Plus, you'll deal with the new problem. Understood? Any questions? Good luck. That's the last one I got for you, Trovius.
There is somebody on Zoom now.
Mohammed, is it Salem?